Week 4 here, Vikings, Mr. Mac. We've got linear quadratic systems of equations. We're going to solve each linear and quadratic system by graphing, and then we're going to state what the solutions are. And we got to be accurate and use a straight edge when we do that for those problems. And then the directions here are going to be to solve using substitution or equal values method. So we're going to do it algebraically. And then we're going to show all our work and then provide our solution. And just a quick reminder, we can have a situation like this where we have a line on a parabola, in which case there'd be no solution. We could have a situation where maybe that parabola comes up and it just touches and you have one solution, or you could have a situation where you've got a line and a parabola and it touches in two spots. So we could have two solutions, one solution, or no solution on these problems. All right, let's go ahead and dive in. I'm going to do the first problem and the fifth problem for you, just so that you know how to do your work this week. Once again, use a straight edge. It's going to be important. All right, the first one, we've got, let's do the linear function first. We got y is equal to 2x. So the y-intercept is going to be 1. And then our slope is positive 2, so I'll go up 1, 2, and over 1. Or down 2 and over negative 1. And then I need to draw that in using a straight edge. Real important to line these hash marks up so that you're accurate. So even though your dots might be connected, you need to make sure that the hash marks of your grid are accurate. And don't forget your arrows, because that goes on forever. Okay, so for our other one, our quadratic, we've got a vertex of, see, the vertex is going to be -1 and -4. That's our HK value. So -1 and -4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right there. All right, from there we're going to need to make a table to figure out what's going on with this parabola. I'm going to plug in different values. So we already found the vertex, so when we plugged in -1, we got -4. Let's just try some different values. Say -2 and -3, maybe -4. And then let's say 1 and 2. All right, so if we plug in 1 into here, we're going to get 1 plus 1, which is 2. 2 squared makes 4, and 4 minus 4 is 0. If we plug in 2, we're going to get 2 plus 2, which is 3. 3 squared makes 9. 9 minus 4 gives us 5. If we plug in -2, we're going to get -2 plus 1, which is -1. -1 squared is +1. 1 plus -4 is -3. If we plug in -3, we'll get -3 plus 2, which is -2. -2 squared is 4, and 4 minus 4 makes 0. And let's see, let's go ahead and graph those. So 0, or did I do 0? Yeah, oh, I gotta do 0. Let's do 0. So 0 going in here makes 1 squared, that makes -3. So 0 and -3 is right there. Now remember, this is a parabola, so if we got -2, we also had -3. Looks like that one's the point we're looking for. And then when we plugged in 1, we got 0. When we plugged in -3, we got 0. And then we had -4, we got -4. Let's do -4. -4 plus 3. -3 squared is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. So -4, we get 5. And then when we have 2, we get 5 as well. So there's our parabola. Let's go ahead and sketch it. Remember, smooth curve, arrows, because it goes on forever. Now it looks like we've identified 2 spots, this one here and this one here, and those are our solutions. So here we've got -2 and -3, and then we also have this one here, which is 2, 5. So there's 2 solutions to that one. Remember, it could be no solutions, could be one solution, could be two solutions. All right, let's do this other one algebraically or by using substitution. So I'm going to just basically take x squared plus x5 minus 2 and set it equal to 3x minus 2. And then I can use my algebra skills and I can subtract 3x from both sides. That's going to give me x squared plus 2x. And minus 2 is equal to negative 2. And if I add 2 to both sides, that's going to give me x squared plus 2x is equal to 0. Now I can factor out an x for both sides, and I'm left with x times x plus 2 is equal to 0. And zero product property, that means x is equal to 0. Or x plus 2 is equal to 0, which means x equals negative 2. So now I got to plug both of those two solutions into one of these equations. The easier of the two will be the linear one. So y is equal to 3 times 0 minus 2, which means y is equal to negative 2. So one solution is going to be 0, negative 2. And then the other solution is going to be y equals 3 times negative 2 minus 2, which means y is equal to negative 6 minus 2, which means y is equal to negative 8. So our other solution is going to be negative 2, negative 8. All right, make sure you show your work. And remember, you can have two solutions, one solution, or no solutions. All right, good luck with that.